Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial on how to Illustrator. So today we are going to do something that is mostly requested by people, subscribers on this channel, our subscribers. They want to know how I usually create my custom backgrounds, like backgrounds that I use. So today is going to be very short and precise. We're just going to show you how you can create your own custom background, and that makes it look very nice. So let's create a background. First, we can use gradients for it. Let me change it to white. Okay, let's just work with this for purpose of tutorials, nothing much. Good. So I like to work outside of the artboard because it's much better, and I can tidy up anything here, then take it back to the artboard. So let's start with the pencil tool. Pencil tool is over here. Once you are set to my workspace Essential Classic, you have the pen tool. Not sure for Essential, but Essential Classic, it's much better. I have the pen tool. Let's just draw random shapes. Let's see. Increase the stroke of it. Now I will be using something like this into the yellow, just a little bit light. Create a circle here. Don't mind whether it's not too good, as long as it's just what you want it to be. So I think we are good here. Let's just use this instead. Let's scale it down, but before we do that, let's change it to expand, so it changes the stroke into a fill. Then let's scale it down. For some reasons, you could use it to measure how each of them should look on the artboard. So I think this is looking nice. Let's change this dark area. I don't like it. Okay, we're good. Select everything, group them, or ungroup them instead. First, you go to Object, Pattern, then Make. Now, this is where the magic is. You're actually done making the pattern for your background, but you could fine tune it a little bit and see how you can work with that. So let's tilt it a little bit. I'm seeing opportunity to merge them. For the width, you can reduce it so the other one works into the other one. And yeah, so I think this is very okay. Let's just call this another one. When you're done, you click on done. There are more features here. You could try and work with the ones that work better for you. I will make another video about patterns. This is just to create your own custom background using patterns, and it's just straightforward, so that we can just get this thing done and you won't spend time over here. So let's say done. Good. Now automatically it has been added to your swatches. You can see the name, another one here. Now all you have to do is just come here, draw the shape, and click on the swatch. That's it. So to make it look very nice, you could blend it using either the overlay or the soft light. Then something I could do to make it look much better is scale it up a little bit and come to effect. If you don't have it there, you go to effect, then you go to blur, then Gaussian blur is also here if you don't have it. So now this is how it looks like with the blur effect. You could adjust to how you want it to be. I think this is good. Yeah. So I think this is good. This is looking very good. You could see an example of how I used it here. To create a poster. That's the shape behind the custom pattern I use. And that's the end of today's tutorial. I'll see you tomorrow.